In this video, I'm going to discussing about how to install .NET Framework 3.5. So first of all, go to the server manager. So click on add roles and features. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. And now we are at features. Okay. So here select the .NET Framework 3.5 features checkbox. So go to the next. Okay, no need to restart your computer. So directly you can install the services. That's it. Make sure your internet will be working on. So to install the .NET framework, internet should be work here. Okay. Okay. Now .NET framework has been installed in our machine. Thank you.